Umurina baka jalla konrat sangma ula kan Thied jaga jimi khobor hakilai padai khobor baka sokar ka thu ban Thied di helikopter na kapta ban penerkam ki han Haba ki Donkam ban nek jingdai laban kedua hang ne baka kat khobor Sri Lanka Times hakan di singi ke dap kala penui ka khobor baka sokar ka thu ban Thied di helikopter na kapta ban penerkam ki han ukon rat sangma ka jing plai khobor mata ka singi lamba ka video ula kan Thied yakan ni ka jingmi ka khobor na ka baong bakam di setia ka bashisha hani ka sokar ka shutmu bantu penerkam nari bersuwa ye helikopter ne bakan siu do kador seka meklia helikopter service haba ki hanya ka sarkar kire jinglai taka suwa ne siu hakador si sikenta ulang ru baharu mata ba nak lang helikopter service ka juket ye ki nongon junga gai pathene ki terus ke belai situra ba klele ki jaka ba kan ka pathut sibon ye ki helikopter ke buket ki terus kumta khana man lai ne ki jing nak lang ka sarkar kan susim ne kan suwai and siu do kador ma penerkam de ki helikopter service
The article by this particular newspaper or this media house, like it has happened many times before, is factually incorrect. They have once again not done their homework, and the fact is that Meghalaya has not come out with any kind of tender or any shown any intention to procure a chopper because it's very expensive. So we will be only giving out a tender for leasing, short-term lease on service basis, and we pay on an hourly basis to the concerned company, and that is the most efficient way in which we can serve the purpose at the same time not incur too much of a heavy financial burden. And this is being done also because most of the time the chopper that is there that's meant for the tourist and the normal sorties that are meant for Shillong, Turag, Guwahati sorties, they normally get disturbed when there is some VIP movement, and hence as and when we require the chopper, at least by following a procedure, we'll be leasing it out and using the chopper as and when we require it. The chopper will be belonging to the service provider, the pilot will be theirs, fuel is theirs, we only pay on an hourly basis. So it is completely incorrect, and this media house must get their facts correct. Many times they've got it wrong. Last time also they mentioned that there is a 1,300 crore of scam in the tourism department, and later on when they found out it was just a 13 crore scheme and there was no scam in it also. Out of 13 crore scheme, a component of about 70 lakhs was not fully complete, and accordingly we had asked the contractor and every department to follow up. So sensationalizing news like this, they may get the attention for that day, but as they keep doing this, I'm sure that people will lose trust in such media houses who keep coming out with such false information and news. So I would urge them not to come out with this kind of news just to defame the government or any line. So it's not a good thing.